Oh, hi, plant lovers. This is Nelborn of Nelsborn Plant Souvenir Shop. Today, I am happy that I have plenty of gymnocalcium na pwede na ako siya i-pollinate. Kasi if I am going to pollinate this, ito po ang mangyayari. Look at this one. If ma-pollinate siya, hindi malaglag yung mga bulak, yung flowers niya. Instead, maging seed pod. And in one seed pod, ay magkakaroon tayo ng 100 seeds. Okay, there are 300 seeds na of this. Yun po yung mga example pag napopollinate natin siya. Seed pod ang mabubuo. Instead na malagas siya, just like this one, madali lang siya malagas. So, this time, mag-pollinate na sad ko. Okay. And out of these four, isipin ko muna kung alin ang ipopollinate ko pwede. Ito, same thing silang green. Ito, merong pagka-black green siya. Blackened siya. Pero, if you notice, itong tatlo, magkapareha yung bulaklak, puti. Itong isa is medyo pinkish. So, I decided na itong pink, ipopollinate ko siya sa green. This one. Pero hindi sila magkapareha, ha? And the other one is ito naman. Though pareha silang flowered, pero ito, mas maganda yung ang pagka-gym niya kaysa dito. This one is also green and this one is medyo may pagka-black green siya. So, magsisimula na tayo and okay. Trying hard kay kung mag-pollinate actually kay kung ma-pollinate mo guna ko ni siya, I can produce more seeds. If I can produce more seeds and ma-preserve na ko ang seeds, therefore, pwede na akong mabaligya ang seeds. And kung mabaligyan na ako ang seeds, income na this. Ano na siya. Okay, diya sa ka. Other one. Itong paduol kaya mga klaro sa mga viewers. Siya. And then, ganun lang po siya. Yun. So, na. After that, exchange natin yung flower. Sila para dyan, ito para dito. Cross-pollinate tayo. Okay, dalawa sila, no? I need to remove this one kasi mayroon pang, mayroon pang sagabal, oh. Ayan, yan. Oh. Okay. So,
veggies, trees so tall. Plants are friends, we love them all. Plant a garden, watch it grow. Nature's gifts from high to low. Caring for the earth we love. With help from the sky above. Taste the best. Nature gives and never rests. Let's plant more, dig in the dirt. It's easy and fun, doesn't hurt. Plant a garden, watch it grow. Nature's gifts from high to low. Caring for the earth we love. With help from the sky above. Plant a garden.
So I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. See you around. Bye-bye.